Welcome to SKart Edge. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to create a Courier Import booking on the SKart Edge portal, from logging in to raising a pickup request. Step 1. Log in to SKart Edge. To begin, log in to your SKart Edge customer portal using your user ID and password. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. At the top right corner, you'll see your company name and profile section. Here, you can also view your wallet balance, which is used to create airway bills for both export and import shipments. Step 2. Start a new import booking. On the left-hand menu, click on Book Shipment. You'll see multiple booking options. Select Import Shipment. Let's start with Courier Import. Step 3. Enter shipment origin and destination. Now, fill in the shipment details. Origin country, origin city and zip code. Destination delivery, zip code in India. Once entered, the system will automatically check serviceability. Step 4. Add shipment details. Next, enter the shipment information. Shipment type, document or parcel. Product description, weight, declared value, quantity, number of boxes, dimensions, HSN code. After entering the details, click Next. Step 5. Select Courier and view pricing. You will now see the available courier options. For example, FedEx. Select your preferred courier to view the price. To see the price breakup, click on the details. Freight charges, fuel surcharge, emergency or additional fees, subtotal amount. Once reviewed, click Next. Step 6. Fill invoice, shipper and consignee details now. Enter the shipper invoice details. Next, fill in the shipper and consignee information. If a phone number has been used previously, the system will automatically fetch save details, saving time. Upload the required KYC documents. Step 7. Review and choose Booking option. Before confirming, verify all entered details. At this stage, you have two options. Save as draft, confirm order. If you want approval from your shipper before finalizing, select Save Draft. Step 8. Draft booking and shipper approval. Once saved as draft, a draft airway bill number is generated. An email is automatically sent to the shipper with the booking details for verification. After shipper approval, you can proceed with final booking. Step 9. Finalize the booking. Go to the import draft booking list. Here you can edit the booking if required, or click final booking to generate the airway bill. Once confirmed, the booking moves to the booking list and the airway bill is generated. You can download the airway bill label directly from here. Step 10. Raise pickup request. After booking confirmation, raise a pickup request. Go to Update Pickup for import bookings. You can search by time period or airway bill number. Select the shipment, choose the pickup date and time slot, and click Update Pickup. And that's it. Your import booking and pickup request have been successfully completed on SKart Edge. With automated booking, real-time visibility, and seamless coordination, SKart Edge makes imports simple and efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step guides, platform updates, and logistics insights.